In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to quickly and easily install a new dust cover for your AR-15 rifle. This one is from Gerber Gear. They were kind enough to supply this to me for free to show you guys what they're about. As you can see, the dust covers from Gerber Gear do ship with the bar that you need to install it, as well as a second spring and one of the most important parts, a tiny little C-clamp, which is the most important / most annoying part of this whole process. These little tiny C-clamps, there's only one, but luckily since Gerber Gear includes another one, if you lose the one that's already on your rifle, or if you break it in uninstalling it, then you have another one ready to go. So basically, there's a couple things you want to consider when you are changing out a dust cover. If the dust cover is already installed on the rifle, the easiest way to remove it is going to be to take the bar and push it out the back towards the buttstock of the rifle. The problem with that is that this bar is going to start interacting with your forward assist here and can actually scratch your finish. If you don't care about your rifle's finish and you don't care if it gets scratched, that's fine. If you do care, what you can do is just take some simple painter's tape and cover up that spot where that scratch may occur. First, I'm going to make sure that my rifle is unloaded, and it is. My current dust cover here is obviously already installed on the rifle, and it is held in place by this bar and a very small C-clamp right here. So what you need to do in order to take your dust cover off is orient that C-clamp so that the opening is facing up towards you. So all I'm going to do in order to push that C-clamp off is use just a really small pair of tweezers. You can also use really sharp, small needle nose pliers. Alright, so I got it loose. And here is the little bugger that you're after. And I'm just going to use this pair of needle nose pliers just to kind of pop it out just a little bit. There shouldn't be a whole lot of resistance or anything in there. As you pull this bar out, be aware of the spring here in the middle. That's the spring that flips the dust cover open when the bolt goes to the rear or forward. As you pull the bar out, just keep your finger on that spring so it doesn't go flying. There we go. So here is my old bar. You don't have to take it all the way out if you don't want to. And then here is my dust cover. With the spring, you'll notice there's a short end and a long end. The short end is going to go towards the rifle, and the longer end is going to go against the dust cover itself, like so. In order for the spring to work correctly, as you install it, you're going to have to slide the bar on about halfway and then do one rotation of the spring. So your short end will be facing up towards your bolt carrier group, and the long end will be facing down on the top of your dust cover. So here's my replacement dust cover. Again, this was provided by Gerber Gear. Thank you very much, Bastion, for sending this out. They have the ability to pretty much laser engrave any design you like, as long as you have the rights to use that logo or words or whatever. So in order to install this, I'm just going to do what I just did, but in reverse. So it's important to remember, if you do take the bar all the way out, or if you're installing the dust cover on your rifle for the first time, it's important to remember that small little lip there that C-clamp grabs onto. That's going to go forward towards your muzzle. Okay, so I'm going to insert it where the other one was, and make sure that my new one goes like so. Alright, so now the spring. Again, the short end is going to go against the rifle, like so. And then I'm going to rotate and put the other end against the dust cover, just like that. And then I'm going to continue to push the bar through. Alright, to reinstall my C-Clamp, this little guy here, I'm just going to do exactly what I did to get it off in the opposite direction. Got it. So that took forever, and that was definitely the most annoying part of the whole process. But there you go. So take my tape off, and now I've got a new dust cover installed on my AR-15. Thanks for watching.